Got a package today from Discount Filters. If you have a water filter in your refrigerator, I recommend these guys for your replacement filter. They also have air conditioner filters and other things. So let's get that handy dandy knife out, open this box up, and I'll show you what I got. Oop, there comes Annie. Here's a box opening. This one's not for you, sweetie. DiscountFilters.com. I'll put a link on there. And I got the one that also filters lead out. I don't think we have a big lead problem here in Fort Worth, but can't be too careful. This is what it looks like, and it's got that, you know, like so. This one filters lead. And I like to get them about 3 at a time, and when I put the last one in, order some more. So there you go. I'll put that link in the description. They ship all over the United States and maybe other places too, but you can check them out. They even have an auto ship feature where they'll send them out every how often, but I like to be in charge of ordering my own. So anyway, discountfilters.com, link in the description. Check it out if you've got a water filter on your refrigerator. You might save some money, and they're pretty good filters. So thanks, and see you next time.